Horn Holler. Yeah, I can remember one time being in there. Strange. Little stalactites and mites. Whoops. Oh, I got me another. Why'd they make a ceiling so low? Must be for short folks. I bet this is slippy. So you see all the slippy marks going down into the water. I feel like a pig hollering in mud. This is what total darkness looks like. Oh, actually, I can see a light up there. Never mind. Almost total darkness. Somebody lost their poking stick. That daggone booger she was talking about. Some cool rock designs. This one, of course, is a dinosaur scales. Well, you all know them as dinosaurs. They're actually dragons. That booger snoring. Woke up now. Better go back and get that poking stick. Just in case. What was that? And why ain't it doing it now? Did I wake you? American rock. Yep. Look at that from the flood. High water's here. Can you imagine being in here? Whenever it would fill up. part to, look at that. All damned up. Back on my part to not put my contacts in today. My glasses keep fogging. And the temperature changes. So far it don't look like my camera's doing it. Well, what the heck was back here snoring? Oh my. This would be a lot cooler if I could see. I wonder what that was snoring. I wonder if those people went that far in before they came out. I don't think they did. The lack of tracks on it past that mud dauber portion. No, I don't think I've ever, no, I don't think I've ever been at this holler before. Oh. Easy. I don't get turned around in here. It's easy enough to do on top of the mountain, getting turned around on these ridge lines. But a lot easier to do going through the mountain, I reckon. Some pawpaw bushes. There's pawpaw bushes all in here. What a beautiful holler. Oh, the booger I done got back here. So this area don't get a lot of traffic. went through two caves to get here. Wish Bailey would ride. She'd love this place. It's nice, cool water. I have no idea where this goes. I haven't seen no tracks. Human, booger, deer, nothing. Yeah, it's a big creek cove in here. Knee deep. I told me going to that last cave. I asked him if it came out on the other side because I wasn't sure on that one. He said, yeah, but you gotta bend down a little bit. And he said the water comes up to here and showed me these bridges. And I said, yeah, I got my play clothes on, so that ain't no problem. They're from northern Kentucky, but I ain't gonna hold that against them. He weren't lying or nothing. There's some tracks. Whoa. Human tracks, that is. And there are pawpaw bushes everywhere up here. There's a dandy one there. Not seeing any fruit on them though. That bank over there's covered with them too. As is this one. Really nice hiking in here. Trails that go everywhere. Why is there a big pile of dirt right there?